No.
What is this? Married daughter is not giving space.
Yes, that is the approach, my lord. Absolutely, my lord.
No,
The-
no.
is this-
please
yes.
stop. Society, you are not allowing married
No.
members to be.
Then again,
1967. Now, my lord, the fact is my father was one of the founder members of this cooperative society, which was registered way back in 1997. 1979, 25 March, my lord, the respondent cooperative society issued a share certificate, my lord, in favor of my father. Now, my lord, 81, November 6, my lord, the nomination that was in favor of the writ petitioner. My father, my lord, submitted the nomination.
Tell me what is your
Now, my lord, my
immediate
prayer. Now, my prayer is, my lord, I am seeking implementation of the High Court's order, as well as, my lord, the registrar, my lord, had passed an order, my lord, and, my lord, thereafter, my lord, the respondent cooperative society had asked for certain money, my lord, to be paid, and, my lord, raised certain disputes. I clarified, my lord, initially they took a stand that a married daughter is not entitled to, my lord, get membership. My lord, which is, my lord, today in the present context, my lord, has to be.
Anybody representing the society?
My lord,
Are you?
the registrar, my lord, has passed an
It
order.
is there. You are for the
for the society, man.
society. You are not allowing married
No.
members to be.
Then again, my lord, we have asked her to give us the draft deed of conveyance.
We have
She
given.
is including a garage space which does not belong to her. My lord, that clarification needs to be made, man.
No, my lord, that has been
She
given.
does not have any garage space. My lord, kindly seize the.
Apart from the garage, the other thing is all right.
The other things are all right.
No, my lord,
For the moment, Lordship,
kindly, my lord,
after the last order passed in the earlier writ petition, then Lordship kindly have a look the order of the authority at page 217. Page 217, my lord, and up to my lord, page 220. And in page, my lord, all the disputes now, my lord, is now over. Only thing, my lord, direction is there. Now they have to comply this direction of the register. And my lord, now my lord knows that my lord, there is a provision under section 142 that if any direction is given by the registrar or assistant registrar of the cooperative to the member of the society, then that has to be, my lord, obeyed. That has
junior friend has said that they are ready and willing to, my lord, perform their part. My lord, only dispute, my lord, center around, my lord, my claim with regard to the car parking space. My lord, kindly turns, my lord, page 243, annexure P31.
Yes.
Now, my lord, I have in no uncertain terms.
Does the car sticker imply that you have a space over there?
My lord, otherwise, my lord, they will not allow me, my lord, to park my car inside this.
No, see, High Court car sticker is there.
High Court, my lord, is a
You
different
can
thing.
go and park
No,
it anywhere.
but I cannot claim, my lord, ownership. But in this case, my lord, in this part,
Owned a flat number D3, Uttara, measuring about 1090 square feet, more or less. My lord, that is it. There is
But this is a 2007 document. Thereafter,
Now,
the
my lord,
petitioner has annexed documents to
yes.
show that the payment for car space has been made, installment made. Please consider and give a
My lord,
reply.
may I come back with the instruction with regard to that payment? Maybe, my lord, the space was not allotted, the money was refunded back. That might be a case, my lord.
My lord, this point was never asked before Justice Chattopadhyay. Other 71 writ petitioner, first they took a point, my lord, it is just like a male chauvinist society or a married daughter, I will not allow. Then, my lord, the stand has been liquidated. Now, my lord, thereafter this, in this prolonged curial combat, my lord, the petitioner.
Is your client the only married
Yes,
lady
absolutely.
over there, and
But
there are
yes,
no other members
no,
who are
no,
married?
no.
What is this? Married daughter is not giving space.
Yes, that is the approach, my lord. Absolutely, my lord.
No, no.
My lord, civilized society.
My lord, that is not the case at all. My lord,
It is the case.
Justice Nizamuddin's order dated 29th of March. My lord, she did not appear before that court. It was, my lord, on the prayers made by us.
No,
that, my lord, the
first of
matter
all,
was
let
referred-
Mr. Bandyopadhyay say that the statement made by me is the wrong understanding of a fact.
Your prayer
My prayer is
for
first.
demand justice.
final age. Such a God has a rule.
Leave to the court.
So this is always my lord, paracetamol.
No answer, my lord.
What do you pray? What do you
I-
pray
I-
for
I-
correction
I-
of the deed of conveyance?
No, I said, my lord, allot as per section 92, deed of allotment that has to be registered in terms of section 92, implement registrar's order, and car space, my lord, which they have objected, that should
I
be,
think, my lord,
that should be
comply with
thrown
the
away.
Order of the registrar.
Registrar's order is
That at
120.
page 220.
Yes, register order.
120.
And my lord, kindly have a look at section 140.
The petitioner prays for implementation of the direction passed in the order dated 22nd of May 2023, issued by the Joint Registrar of Cooperative Societies, comma, KMAH. Stop. Next. Learned advocate representing the Cooperative Housing Society seeks time to take instruction in the matter. Stop. Next. Let a report by way of affidavit be prepared and circulated amongst the parties by 2nd February 2024. List on 9th of February 2024.
My lord, report to be submitted by us, my lord.
Yes, by the cooperative society as to why you are not carrying out the necessary corrections in the deed of conveyance, the car space and whatever you've got.
Correction has to be